77 degrees. Here is the tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, southwestern Gulf of Mexico. A-L93, showers and thunderstorms have not become any better organized this afternoon in association with an area of low pressure over the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. Environmental conditions appear only marginally favorable, and this system has a short window to develop further over the next day or so. By Wednesday morning, the system is forecast to merge with a developing frontal boundary over the western Gulf of Mexico. An Air Force Reserve reconnaissance aircraft is en route to investigate the system this afternoon and will provide more information about the system's structure. Regardless of tropical cyclone development, the system is forecast to produce gale force winds over portions of the northern Gulf of Mexico by tomorrow, and potentially heavy rainfall along the Gulf Coast by the latter portion of this week. For more information, see products from your local National Weather Service office and high seas forecasts issued by the National Weather Service. The formation chance through 48 hours is low at 30%. The formation chance through 7 days is low at 30%. Eastern Tropical Atlantic AL92, a broad area of low pressure located several hundred miles southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands, continues to produce a large area of showers and thunderstorms. This activity has become a bit more concentrated while also showing signs of organization, and environmental conditions appear conducive for additional development. A tropical depression is likely to form during the next couple of days while the system moves west-northwestward or northwestward across the eastern and central tropical Atlantic. The formation chance through 48 hours is high 80%. The formation chance through 7 days is high 80%. 1 p.m. observations, at Galveston, cloudy. Temperature 80, dew point 63, relative humidity 55%. Wind southeast at 6 miles an hour. Pressure 29.92 inches and falling. At an offshore rig, located 20 miles southeast of Galveston, sunny. Temperature 79, dew point 63, relative humidity 57%. Wind southeast at 6 miles an hour. Pressure 29.92 inches and falling. At Houston Bush Intercontinental, cloudy. Temperature 77, dew point 66, relative humidity 68%. Wind south at 5 miles an hour. Pressure 29.92 inches and steady. Other regional observations, skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. It was 81 at Hobby Airport, 80 at Huntsville, 78 at Conroe, and 78 at Tomball. Dallas-Fort Worth reported 81, College Station reported 78, and San Antonio reported 73. Coastal stations, it was cloudy. It was 80 at Lake Charles, 79 at Beaumont, 72 at Corpus Christi, 77 at Victoria, and 74 at Palacios. The buoy reports, 20 miles east of Galveston, temperature 79, water temperature 81. Wind southeast at 8 knots. Seas 1 foot with a period of 2 seconds. 60 miles south of Freeport, winds were east, at 8 knots. Sea temperature 83. Wave heights 1 foot. Wave period 6 seconds. 2 p.m. observations, at Galveston, cloudy. Temperature 81, dew point 64, relative humidity 56%. Wind southeast at 7 miles an hour. Pressure 29.89 inches and falling. At an offshore rig, located 20 miles southeast of Galveston, mostly sunny. Temperature 79, dew point 64, relative humidity 61%. Wind east at 6 miles an hour. Pressure 29.89 inches and falling. At Houston Bush Intercontinental, cloudy. Temperature 80, dew point 64, relative humidity 58%. Wind south at 7 miles an hour. Pressure 29.88 inches and falling. Other regional observations, skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. It was 81 at Hobby Airport, 78 at Huntsville, 78 at Conroe, and 80 at Tomball. Dallas-Fort Worth reported 83, College Station reported 76, and San Antonio reported 74. Coastal stations, at Corpus Christi, rain was falling, with a temperature of 71. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 79 at Lake Charles, 79 at Beaumont, 77 at Victoria, and 76 at Palacios. The buoy reports, 20 miles east of Galveston, winds were southeast, at 6 knots. Sea temperature 81. Air temperature 7.